Hello dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today I am explaining you about congruency of triangles, how the triangles are congruent to each other. First of all, what are congruent figures? Before studying congruent triangles, we should know about congruent figures. Two figures are said to be congruent if they are of same shape and of same size. For example, two circles of the same radii. If two circles have same radius, they are known as congruent circles. If two squares are having same length of each side, that two squares are known as congruent squares. Similarly, two figures of any shape can be congruent to each other if they have same radii, same length of each sides. In this chapter we will study about congruent triangles. Now there are four criteria for congruency of triangles. There are four rules, there are four criteria by which two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. The first criteria is SAS, side angle side. Now what is this criteria? You can see that two triangles are formed here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, this is a single mark and this is a single mark. It means this side AB and side PQ is equal to each other. One mark at angle B, one mark at angle Q means angle B and angle Q are given equal to each other. And BC and QR, these two sides are also given equal to each other. Let us see. In these two triangles ABC and triangle PQR, side AB is equals to side PQ. Side AB is equals to side PQ. Angle B equals to angle Q. Here you can see angle B equals to angle Q. And side BC equals to side QR. This side BC equals to side QR. So which criteria is this? Side angle side. See carefully that this is one of the side, this is another side, and this angle lies between two sides, between two adjacent consecutive sides. This is angle B, this is side PQ, side QR, and this angle Q lies between two adjacent consecutive sides. The angle should be between two equal sides. Angle B is between AB and BC, angle Q is between PQ and QR. So the equal angle should be between given two equal sides. Then only we can prove the triangles congruent to each other by side angle side criteria. So these two triangles are congruent to each other by SAS criteria. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. The sign of congruency is equal and a wave line over equal that shows congruent sign. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Let us study one more criteria. Another criteria is angle side angle criteria. See the figure. Angle A is given equals to angle P, side AB is given equals to side PQ, and angle B is equals to angle Q. So in these two triangles you can see that angle A equals to angle P and the equal side lies between given two equal angles. AB equals to PQ, one of the equal side, and angle B equals to angle Q. This means angle side angle. These two triangles are congruent to each other by angle side angle criteria. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. You can see third criteria is also there, but we will study this third and one more fourth criteria in our next lecture video. Thank you.